Do you want to see how it works?
Yes, please.
Let's find out what I got in my one-stop science box. Alright, we have
2 bottles,
right, 2 bottles with corks.
2 thermometers.
Right, 2 thermometers. And then we have this.
What is this?
This is some vinegar. Now we have some baking soda. We have measuring spoons. We have a funnel, a beaker, some tissues, and
2 sun lamps.
now let me remove this box and we'll get started.
What are we doing here today, Mercy?
I'm gonna show you the greenhouse effect. So first of all, we're gonna take our 2 thermometers and keep them out for about 3 minutes so they'll show us the accurate room temperature. Miana, can you look at the thermometer and tell me what's the temperature today?
20, 21, 22, 25. It's 25.
Now we're gonna put 1 thermometer in one of the bottles.
There's a hole in the bottle.
Yes, I made a hole in the cork so that the thermometer can pass through easily. In the second bottle, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda
2.
and 60 ml of vinegar. We have to do the next step very quickly and pour this in carefully. Quickly cover it up.
I can see bubbles.
We have to seal this quickly so that no carbon dioxide escapes. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda results in the production of carbon dioxide. I'm gonna take the 2 sun lamps and place them about 4 inches away from each bottle
Why do we use sun lamps?
to heat up our bubbles just like the sun heats the earth. Can someone please turn off the lights? And the lamps on, please.
Wow, they actually look like the sun. It's getting hot here.
It is, isn't it? We've kept the 2 bottles in front of the sun lamps for about 5 minutes. What do you notice looking at the thermometers?
This one is 35. This one is 28.
So the bottle with carbon dioxide is showing a higher temperature as compared to the one with just air.
But why is that, Mercy? Even air have carbon dioxide.
Before I answer your question, let's turn off the sun lamps. The air in the bottles cannot circulate to the rest of the room. It stays in the bottle, and under the light of the lamp, it gets warmer and warmer. The bottle with the carbon dioxide traps even more heat and warms up even faster than the room air, which contains only a trace amount of carbon dioxide. A similar trapping of heat happens in the Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight passes through the atmosphere and warms the Earth's surface. Greenhouse gases trap the heat radiating out from the surface of the planet, and this process is called the greenhouse effect.
So the greenhouse effect makes the earth warmer.
The greenhouse gases trap the heat of the sun. You got it right there. To try this for yourself at home, have a look at what you need. 2 thermometers, 2 2-liter bottles, 2 sun lamps, vinegar, baking soda.